Hello, tech enthusiasts, and welcome back to Be Your Wife's Technician, the channel for DIY tech solutions that keep your home running smoothly. Today, we are diving into a crucial component that ensures your digital life stays uninterrupted. It is an uninterrupted power supply, or UPS. Whether you are a gamer, a professional working from home, or just someone who values their computer, having a reliable UPS is like an insurance policy for your electronics. Stick around as we demystify the working principles and benefits of a UPS, and do not forget to hit that subscribe button for more practical tech insights. Now, let us power up. An uninterrupted power supply is a device that provides backup power to electronic devices, such as computers, in the event of a power outage. The primary working principle of a UPS is to store electrical energy when the power supply is available and deliver it to connected devices when there is a power interruption. Here is a brief overview of how a typical UPS for a home PC works. The UPS is connected to a standard electrical outlet. The incoming power from the wall outlet charges the internal battery of the UPS. The UPS contains a rechargeable battery that stores electrical energy in the form of direct current. The battery is designed to provide power for a limited duration, typically ranging from a few minutes to an hour, depending on the capacity of the UPS and the power requirements of connected devices. The UPS has an inverter that converts the stored DC power from the battery into alternating current, which is the standard form of electricity used by most electronic devices. Some UPS models include automatic voltage regulation functionality, which regulates the voltage supplied to connected devices. This helps protect sensitive electronics from voltage fluctuations or spikes that may occur during power events. The UPS constantly monitors the incoming power from the utility. When a power outage or disturbance is detected, the UPS instantly switches to battery power, ensuring a seamless transition for connected devices. Many UPS units are equipped with alarms or notifications to alert users when the battery is running low or if there is a fault. Some UPS systems also have software that allows connected computers to receive signals to initiate an automatic shutdown in case of an extended power outage, preventing data loss or damage to the connected equipment. Once the power is restored, the UPS switches back to using the incoming power from the utility to recharge its battery. The time required for recharging depends on the capacity of the UPS and the amount of energy consumed during the outage. And there you have it, folks. The ins and outs of uninterrupted power supply, your digital guardian against unexpected power hiccups. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your tech-savvy friends. For more tech tips and solutions, remember to subscribe to Be Your Wife's Technician and ring that notification bell so you never miss out on our latest DIY adventures. Stay powered up, stay connected, and be your wife's favorite technician. Cheers!